Everybody should be familiar with LG, if it's not from the mobile phones, if it's not from the refrigerators. But over the last 7 years, we've really looked at the cloud computing business. We've invested with the zero client business. But we looked at the market overall and we realized that it's only 10% roughly of the overall market. So we said we need to invest in the thin client business. So last year in February of 2018, I was instructed to go out and actually get a team together. So we went from 2 to 13 people overnight to build the footprint, right? To get the troops out there. And then we said we got to look at something outside of Windows because we see Linux really growing and we don't have a partner. So we said, who's the #1 operating system out there today that's growing fast, right? If you look at market share. And we said, iGel. So literally over the last 6 months, we've been looking to develop and build. And here we are at iGel Disrupt 2019, and we're partnering with them. So when I look at partnering, we look at our different products that we have today, right? So today we offer a box type solution, we offer a 24-inch all-in-one solution, and we offer a 38-inch solution. That is actually, we're the endpoint IPS panel, but we use iGel as the OS that's embedded into our display. The nice thing about our product, right, we meet in the channel today, right? So when somebody buys our product through the channel, distribution, reseller, and they don't want to go with Windows, they want to go with a Linux offering, fine, great. We have an authorization with iGel, and the customer can go ahead and flash the device. We started looking at the business last year, and really 2019 is our coming out party, hence the reason we were in Munich last week. We're now here down in San Jose. We're really looking to partner with them, not only from ecosystem perspective, but we're going out there with the sales reps and engaging with the reseller channel, end user channel, and really trying to get what we call POC, proof of concept, off the ground.